Hello and welcome once again today to my channel, and I encourage you to join me as we go on a fun road trip. But not just any trip though. This road tells a story of hard work, history, and how people made things better over time. Starting our journey at New Market, a town that has always been busy because people come here to buy and sell all kinds of things. The term New Market isn't just a name, it marked the expansion of a traditional market hub which was built to accommodate a growing population and increasing commercial flow in the post-colonial years, especially around the late 1970s and 1980s. This part of Ngo is also deeply rooted in Igbo tradition, with clan meetings, community halls, and rich aroma of local delicacies from roadside stalls adding life to our starting point. And now we ascend into one of the most scenic portions of this road, the Milk and Hill. The name may sound curious, but it has a fascinating origin. According to locals, the route was once a narrow, steep path where herdsmen brought their cattle and dairy products, hence the name milk. The hill refers to the rugged incline that drivers had to conquer, often with stories of old pickup trucks overheating or stalling up the way up. But today, this road tells a different story. Thanks to the improved grading and tiling during the Obasanjo's administration Rural Road Expansion Program and later the Enugu State Road Development efforts, this once treacherous route has become a comfortable passage with rich views of the hillsides and forest-lined edges. As we drive, notice the slight altitude here that blesses the area with cooler air, making it a favorite spot for bikers and local adventurers. This road wasn't always this smooth. For decades, the people of Ngo petitioned the government to intervene. Eventually, in the mid 2000s, the project was picked up as part of a federal rural integration plan aimed at linking farm rich areas to the city centers. It will interest you to know that this is the shortest cut from Enugu town down to Ninth Mile. And Ninth Mile, which has been known as a historic transportation and industrial hub. It earned its name during the colonial times, being exactly 9 miles from Enugu city center. This junction serves as a major link between the north and south, where several roads and highways meet. In the early 20th century, it hosted rail depots, water reservoirs, and later bottling factories and cement depots. The road we just journeyed and we are journeying through plays a crucial role in feeding supplies into Ninth Mile from the agrarian villages and back out of major cities. So what just looks like a drive from Newmarket through Milk and Hill to Ninth Mile is actually a journey through time, a road carved by need, improved by advocacy, and now traveled with pride. Whether you're a commuter, a trader, a tourist, an investor, this route remains a living testimony to what development can mean to a people. I once again want to thank you for coming on this journey with me. Until the next time, let's keep exploring. Remember that my name is Angela Kelechi Ibako, your go-to real estate guide here in the city of Enugu, and I help smart investors, which you can be one of them, make smart, safe, and profitable real estate investment that guarantees a high return. Let me know in the comment section which area you would want me to explore in my next video, and I'll be right here to go on that trip with you. Kindly enjoy the rest of the video, and bye for now. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and don't forget to bring your real estate investment deals to me because I am your go to real estate expert here in the city of Enugu. And I serve my clients all across the globe. Remember, my name is Angela Kelechi Ibako, also known as Aki Global. Bye for now.